my Automower won't turn on. Look it, I open the lid, I press all the buttons, I got nothing on the screen. What is going on? Hey guys, Josh here with Carl's Mower and Saw. I get this call often. Customer has brought their Automower in for service and we do some work for it and they take it home and it won't turn on. Well, did you know that there is an on-off switch on your mower? Let's flip this up so you can see it right there, right in the middle. Boom, I means on. Hey, look, it's alive, it's alive. Anyways, there you go. There's a hot tip trick that will allow you to actually get your Automower up and running again. So if you ever go to your Automower, press the stop button, open the hatch and see nothing on the screen, either A, your battery is completely dead, or B, that on-off switch on the bottom has been flipped to the O. O off, I on. That's how we remember it. We look forward to seeing y'all soon. Have a great day. Hey, this is Josh from Carl's Mower and Saw. Thanks for watching our videos. We're proud of the fact that we've been serving you with the best in outdoor power equipment since 1990. We're glad that you had an opportunity to sit down, watch our videos, learn something about an exciting new product that we have, something that interests you for your property, or really how to use your equipment to the best of its ability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, whether it's on Instagram or YouTube. We're excited to share more information with you. See you soon.